Step 1. Listen carefully.
3 days ago, Lily accidentally dropped her phone on the floor. Her phone broke. Lily had to buy a new phone. She asked her mother where to go for a new phone. Lily's mother suggested going to the Horizon store. Lily and her mother drove to the Horizon store. Then they started to look around at new phones. Lily spotted one phone that looked very nice. It cost $1,000. Lily's mother called over employees for help, but no employees answered. At the moment, the employees were eating food. They were too busy eating and didn't care about Lily or her mother. They didn't pay attention to their customers at all. They were not helpful. Even worse, the entire store was filled with the smell of food. All the customers in the store felt sick from the food smell. Lily and her mother were very upset. Lily's mother asked to speak to the manager. The manager came. Lily's mother complained to the manager about the poor service. Lily and her mother didn't buy a phone. Instead, they left the store. They went to another store.
Step 2. Answer the questions.
Why did Lily need a new phone? Lily needed a new phone because her old phone broke. Why did Lily's old phone break? Lily accidentally dropped it on the floor. When did Lily's old phone break? Lily's old phone broke 3 days ago. What was the name of the store Lily and her mother visited? The name of the store they visited was Horizon. How did Lily and her mother get to the Horizon store? Lily and her mother drove to the Horizon store. What did Lily and her mother look at in the store? Lily and her mother looked at new phones. How much did the phone Lily spotted cost? The phone she spotted cost $1,000. Were the employees helpful? No, the employees were not helpful. When Lily's mother called over employees for help, what were the employees doing? They were eating food. Was the entire store filled with the scent of flowers? No, the entire store was not filled with the scent of flowers. The store was filled with the smell of food. Did the customers in the store like the smell of food? No, the customers in the store didn't like the smell of food. They felt sick from the food smell. What did Lily's mother complain about? Lily's mother complained about the poor service. Did Lily buy a phone at the Horizon store? No, Lily didn't buy a phone at the Horizon store. What did Lily and her mother do at the end of the story? Lily and her mother left the store and went to another store.
Step 3. Vocabulary.
Accidentally. Happening by accident. I accidentally broke your window while I was playing baseball. I am so sorry. It's all right. Accidents happen. Examples. He accidentally ate the rotten banana. She accidentally deleted the file. Phone. An electronic device used to make calls to others. I cannot find my phone anywhere. Please check under your bed. Examples. May I use your phone to make just one call? The phone rang and rang, but nobody picked up. Break. To separate into two or more pieces. Why did you break my toy in half? Sorry, it was an accident. Examples. The vase fell on the floor and broke. I broke the chocolate in two. Drive to. To use one's car to travel from point A to point B. Will you go to New York by airplane? No, I will drive to New York. Examples. He drove to the gas station. I drive to the office every day. Employee. A person who is employed at a company. Is she a hard worker? Yes, she is the best employee at this company. Examples. The employee at the supermarket always got caught stealing food. My boss hired a new employee. Manager. A person who manages a team of employees. My manager always gives me a ton of work. You should probably quit your job. Examples. He was promoted to the position of manager. The manager always wore a nice outfit to work. Pay attention to. To focus on something very carefully. Please pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay, I will listen to you carefully. Examples. Students, you have to pay attention to the notes I am writing on the chalkboard. You should pay attention to the person who talks to you. Customers. People who are buying items or services in a store. Does your store offer a cash discount? Yes, customers receive a 10% discount if they pay in cash. Examples. The customer was rude and arrogant. There were so many customers in the drugstore during the holidays. Helpful. An adjective used to describe someone who offers aid. Did you call the police to ask for help? Yes, I called the police, but they weren't helpful. Examples. She offered us helpful suggestions. The nurse is a kind and helpful person. Filled with. Full of. What is in your pocket? My pocket is filled with coins. Examples. The drawer is filled with envelopes. The store is filled with the scent of coffee.
Thanks for watching.
Virginia English Center,